Welcome back to the Chemistry Corner. Today we will see Class 10 NCERT questions. Question number 5. Translate the following into chemical equation and balance them. Question number 1. They are given like a statement as a word, as a sentence. So from the sentence we will write first a word equation, then chemical equation, then we have to balance. Hydrogen gas combines with the nitrogen to form ammonia. So now word equation, hydrogen, so it's a gas, so G, plus nitrogen, that is also gas, so G gives ammonia. So next we will try to write that symbolic representation, that is a chemical equation. Hydrogen is a diatomic gas, so H2 gas, plus nitrogen is a diatomic gas, so N2 gas gives, formula for ammonia is NH3. Now to balance the equation, we have to follow hit and trial method. So for that, we will draw the tabular column, element, LHS and RHS. In the element, hydrogen, nitrogen, only two elements. In the LHS, how many hydrogens are there? Only two. Nitrogen, 2. In this RHS, hydrogen 3, nitrogen 1. So we have to balance this by hit and trial method. So for that, first we will take 3, that is a larger in number. So H is 3. So in front of this, we will write 2. So this you can see here triangular box, red color box is written. So we have to write this red color, that is a triangular box. In order to remember this, we should not change anything inside this box. So here NH3. So in that 2 I have written outside that box. So now the 2 is common for nitrogen and for hydrogen. So 2N, and here 2 into 3, 6 hydrogens. So the same way we have to do in LHS also. So we are balancing only to satisfy the law of conservation of mass. So according to law of conservation of mass, mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. Now hydrogen we have to make it as 6. So here 3 multiplied by 3. So 3 into 2, 6. Now nitrogen already 2. So now it is balanced equation. So we will try to read that balanced equation. 3H2 gas plus N2 gas gives 2NH3. 3H2 gas plus N2 gas gives 2NH3. Hydrogen sulfate gas burns in air to give water and sulfur dioxide. Formula for hydrogen sulfate H2S, it's a gas, so G, plus air, that is oxygen present in the atmospheric air, so O2 gas gives water, H2O, that is a liquid, and sulfur dioxide, so plus SO2 gas. Now let us balance. So we have written element, hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. So in LHS, how many hydrogens are there? 2. Sulfur, only 1. Oxygen, 2. In RHS, how many hydrogens are there? 2. Sulfur, 1. Oxygen, 1 plus 2, totally 3. So now we want to balance by hit and trial method. So we can try hit first that larger number. So here 3 is a larger number. So we will select the oxygen. So in this place it is 1. So if I write here 2, that odd number 1 will change into even. So here 2 oxygens, here 2 oxygen. So we can cancel it and write the new one, 2 plus 2, 4. So the 2 is common for hydrogen and oxygen. So now hydrogen also changed into 2 into 2, 4 in the RHS. So accordingly we want to change in the LHS also. So in the LHS, now here 2 hydrogens. So in front, if we write 2, it will become 4. Now hydrogen has balanced 4. So when we write 2 here, the 2 is common for hydrogen and sulfur. So it become 2 sulfur. So here 2 sulfur. So this side also we have to write 2. So now 2 sulfur here also. So sulfur is also balanced. Now coming back to the oxygen, here 2 into 2, 4. Here 2, so 4 plus 2, 6. Once again, we'll write it as 4 plus 2, 6. So, but here only 2 oxygen. So, in front, if we multiply by 3, it will become 6. So, now we see all the things are balanced. 2 into 2, 4 hydrogens, 2 sulfur, 3 2s are 6 hydrogen in the LHS, that is reactant side. Now, in the product side, 2 into 2, 4 hydrogens and 2 oxygen. Here 2 into 2, 4 oxygen. So, 4 plus 2, 6 oxygens. Now, in the case of sulfur, here 2 into 2, 2 into 1, that become 2 sulfur. So, everything is balanced. Let us read the balanced chemical equation. 2H2S gas plus 3O2 gas gives 2H2O liquid plus 2SO2 gas. Once again, 2H2S gas plus 3O2 gas gives 2H2O liquid plus 3SO2 gas. Thank you, children. Next equation. Barium chloride reacts with aluminium sulfate to give aluminium chloride and a precipitate of barium sulfate. We will try to write the equation. Barium chloride formula BaCl2. It is in aqueous condition. Next, aluminium sulfate Al2SO4 thrice. It is also in aqueous condition. Gives aluminium chloride. Formula is AlCl3, that is also in aqueous condition, plus a precipitate of barium sulfate. Barium sulfate formula SO4, BaSO4, and it is in solid condition. Now let us try to balance the equation. The method is eat and trial. So okay, now we are written the elements: barium, Cl, aluminium, sulfur, oxygen. So, how many barium is present in the LHS? Only 1. How many Cl? 2. Aluminium? 2. Now, when we are written the bracket, this 3 is common for sulfur as well as for oxygen. So, 3 sulfur and 4 3s are 12 oxygen. 4 3s are 12 oxygen. The next is in RHS. Aluminium only 1. Cl 3 is there. Barium 1. Sulfur 1. That oxygen in the sulfate SO4, oxygen is 4. So always we have to hit the larger number. So now here the 12 oxygen is a larger number. When we hit that oxygen, in that right hand side it is only 4. So let us try to change that. So before that we will put the box. So the box indicate that nothing should be changed inside that. Okay, now in the RHS, we can see in the RHS here 4 sulfur, SO4, in that 4 oxygen. So when we write in front that 3, now it has become 3 into 4, 12. So oxygen is balanced. When we write here 3, that 3 is common for barium as well as for sulfur and oxygen. So now we have to change that barium as 3. Sulfur is also became 3. So 3 barium and 3 sulfur. But here only 1 is there. So in order to make it 3, we will multiply by 3 here. So it has become 3Ba. 3BaCl2. 3BaCl2. Okay, barium is balanced, oxygen is balanced. Now Cl, 3 into 2, 6. Here only 3 is there. So that we have to make it 6. So multiply by 2. So now Cl also became 6. So once we change here that 2, that aluminium also get that 2. So 2. So here already 2 aluminium is there. It is also balanced. Now sulfur is also 3 and 3 balanced. So 3Ba, yes, 3Ba. 3 2s are 6 Cl and 2 Al and 3 sulfur. 4 3s are 12 oxygen in LHS. Now check in the RHS. 2 Al, yes. And 2 into 3, 6 Cl, correct. 3 Ba, correct. And sulfur 3, correct. And 3 into 4, 12 oxygen. That is also correct. So let us try to read the equation. 3BaCl2 aqueous plus Al2SO4 thrice aqueous gives 2AlCl3 aqueous plus 3BaSO4. Yes. How we got it as? Because in the question it is given as precipitate. So that's why BaSO4. Yes. Thank you, children. Next equation. Potassium metal reacts with water to give potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. We'll write the word equation first. Potassium plus water gives potassium hydroxide plus hydrogen. Next, chemical equation. Symbol of potassium K. Water H2O. Formula for water H2O gives potassium hydroxide KOH. Potassium hydroxide is KOH plus hydrogen gas. So now we will write the tabular column in that element and LHS and RHS. Then we will try to balance. So here potassium is a metal, solid, water, liquid, KOH is formed in aqueous and hydrogen is gas. Okay, the elements are K, hydrogen and oxygen. So in LHS there is only one K and hydrogen is 2, oxygen is 1. In the RHS 1 K and hydrogen here 1, here 2. So 1 plus 2, 3 and oxygen is 1. So by hit and trial method we will hit the larger number, that is 3. So here it is 3, here it is a 2. So we will make it as even. So for that first we will draw the box. So the box reminds us not to change anything inside. So if we change anything inside that number, the formula itself will change. So we should not do that. We can change only outside that box. So in order to make this hydrogen equal, so here we will make it 2. So 2 plus 2, 4 hydrogens now. So here also we will put 2. So that 2 into 2, here 4. So when we write here 2, other elements also getting changed. So now potassium has become 2. Oxygen also has become 2. And hydrogen 2, here 1, 2, 4. So now when we write here 2 into 2, 4 hydrogens and oxygen also became 2. Okay, now these two are balanced. In case of potassium, here 2 in RHS 2, but in LHS only 1. So we have to multiply in LHS by 2. So in front of that, we will write 2. So now 2K, 2 into 2, 4 hydrogen, 2 oxygen balanced. In RHS, 2K, yes, 2 oxygens. Here 2 hydrogen plus 2, so 4 hydrogen, everything is balanced. Now it is balanced chemical equation. We'll try to read that balanced chemical equation. 2K solid plus 2H2O liquid gives 2 KOH aqueous plus 2H2 gas. Thank you, children.